Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I took some time off because what's been happening throughout the United States. Sad times right now, just protests every day, and I support it 100%. They need to be heard and protected and understood that they're human beings. Their skin color does not make them inferior to us, and I support their cause and I fight for them. So there's that. I'm sure I'll keep talking about this. It's not going away. I don't want it to go away until they are treated like human beings and equally, as equals. So there's that. So alrighty, so just to start getting rid of some of these packages, very eager to open. So there's that. So if you guys want to see me open up all of my packages, then go ahead and keep on watching. All right, so let's see what I have, because since I've been keeping them, I've been saving them, I don't really recall what I've ordered, because I like to order stuff. So alrighty, so let's dig on in with these packages. Okay, this one is from Kiss. Yay, it's here. And I'm still missing 2 lashes that I ordered 4. I only received 2. Kiss, what's happening? Like, seriously, like, are you guys that slammed that you guys are sending me bits and pieces of my order that I ordered probably 2 months ago? So far, these better be amazing, because right now I'm not impressed with Kiss and their service. So, okay, let's see how that goes. Lancome. So somebody I know posted something saying juicy tubes are back. So I grew up in the 90s and 2000s, in the early 2000s, and juicy tubes were the it thing. Let me show you. So they're back. And this one's kind of open, but all right. Okay, so I got 2 colors. So this one is Melon Rewind, and this one is Dreamsicle. Oh my gosh. And I remember them smelling good. Let me, I want to try one. Let's try this one. Oh, it smells amazing. These were the OG lip glosses, guys. Like, seriously, like, if you had juicy tubes, you were cool. I had one that lasted me like 5 years. So that one was Melon Rewind. Love it. And I love the way it smells. It smells amazing. Do my lips look juicy? No, but that's what I'm going for. All right, let's keep going. Lily Lashes. So I don't know if I've ever used Lily Lashes, but they were having some kind of sale. So you guys know me in sales. I ordered 2 or 3, I don't remember. I gotta check. But here are 2 lashes. OMG. This one is called Doha and Caramel. And these look pretty cool. Let's see. Ooh, these are some big lashes. So this one is Caramel. Look at that. These are definitely gonna have to be trimmed, but I think they do that on purpose. All right, and this one is Doha. This one is not so va-va-voom as Caramel, but still really pretty. When I saw these, I liked how it's angled, like it's small here, and then it's big. Obviously, that's usually how they are, right? You don't want the big, this is where you get your full effect, but sometimes in here, they make them still too long. When I was shopping online and I saw that these ones are a little bit shorter in the inside. I wanted to try these ones. So these ones look good. These ones look like they're going to be for my birthday, which is in a couple weeks. Charlotte Tilbury. Oh, I don't have a lot of her stuff because it's pretty pricey. But when I saw this, I'm like, I need. Okay, so it is the Airbrush Bronzer. Oh my gosh, in medium. How do I open this? Okay, this is giving me like Dynasty, like 80s vibes, you know? Which I live. Okay. Love how big the pan is. Can't wait to try that. And then we're still going. I got a few things. Okay. I got the Airbrush. Okay. Oh, okay. How do I do this? So, love this component. So pretty. And then I got a couple samples. Yay for Charlotte Tilbury. Next one is Thrive Cosmetics. I know what this is. You guys remember that I really liked my lip liner. And so I had to get another one because I really liked it. And when you got an Allure, when you use the Allure box, they give you 20% off, like your discounts when you order on their on certain websites. So this was a gift with purchase. Cute. I'm sure my daughter will steal it. And then I got the khaki one. I'm pretty sure I better, yeah, khaki, my khaki lip liner. And then I got Revitalizing Lip Quench. So it's the lipstick. And that looks really pretty. And that one is Stephanie. Can you see that? Watch. I don't have to push down. It's magnetic. And I like Thrive Cosmetics because they give back to the community when you make purchases on their website or support companies like that. So, okay. Ooh, Gymshark. I love Gymshark. Their stuff fits a little different. Like, so when I buy Nike, I'm a large, like bottoms and top. And here I'm like, might need extra large in some things. First, I'm gaining weight. Second, it is like, okay, like really form-fitting, but I really like it. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna try this on because I don't think it's gonna work out right now. I need a all right, so the first one is long sleeve t-shirt. Cute. I like wearing t-shirts because I will run at night, and I don't like wearing jackets, or unless it's like raining or something, or sprinkling. I won't run in the rain, but in sprinkles, yeah. So, but I don't mind a long sleeve when I run. Well, if it's cool. Not when it's hot. Hot, I'm wearing tank top, okay? All right, and this, yes, pair of joggers. How cute. I don't think I like that very much, but I love joggers. What size did I get? This one I got a large. I was gonna get a medium just because joggers tend to fit loose, but like I said, their stuff fits different, so I don't know. Hopefully this stuff will work out and I don't have to return it. And so let's just see it. Love that stuff. Okay, so the next one is from Ava NYC, again from my Allure beauty box, subscription box. I really liked the detangler a lot, and it is a little one like this. Well, I'm already almost done because I use it every day, and the smell is amazing. 10-in-1 primer. I got 2 of them because how often do I order from here? Never, it's my first time. Okay, you might think I'm crazy, and I probably am a little bit, but I mean, the smell was really, really nice, and it worked. And I feel like it's making my hair shiny, like healthier, and I think it's that because I'm not doing anything different to my hair. But I am gonna cut it. What's today? In about a week, this is gonna be different. So I'm excited. Okay, I got a Boxy Charm. So I'm not gonna open this. So I'll open this. I'll do a video just on this one. And Sephora. I love Sephora. Oh yes. Okay. So this is called Clean Break with the Littles. This is from Drunk Elephant. Now, a YouTuber that I watch, Allie Glines, she loves Drunk Elephant for skincare stuff. So these are just a bunch of mini sizes of different face products. This wasn't on sale, but I think they were having, I don't think they do this all the time, do a bunch of liddies. And how cute is this bag? Super excited to finally try Drunk Elephant stuff. And it was a little expensive, but you see my face right now? It's been breaking out like crazy. Here, here, here. I don't know what it is. I think it's stress, just from everything that's been happening all around. So my face is like, ugh, yeah, like not good right now. This is a Natasha Nona mini palette, the Lila. Let's see. I think it's purple. I don't remember. Yeah, cute. Oh, one of my Anastasia, my ABH Norvina cake liners. When I had initially ordered, when I went on Anastasia, this color was sold out. So I was like, let me check Sephora. And Sephora still had it. So I ordered it from there. Okay, cute, look. So you're supposed to use a wet brush, and we'll see how this works. I'm hoping I can pull off something decent. Okay, so this one was a mini, this I paid for, it's not free. This one is a mini product, and it's the what is it called? The Hydro Grip Primer. I have heard such good things about this, so I'm super excited to try it out. One more Sephora one. I love lashes, especially when I can go back and go to work and socialize. I love lashes. So these ones are from Anastasia. This one is, what are the names? So Hollywood, and then Dreamy. Okay, this one is from Lancome. It's the Tint Idol Ultra Wear Concealer. So I love the foundation of the Tint Idol, I don't know. So I figured, I'm sure I would really like the concealer. It's just hard because I don't know if this is gonna be my match. So it looks a little bit dark. So I'll try this out. Like Lancome, they have great stuff. Do ABH, yay! That's weird. Okay, I don't have, it says I should be getting my liners, my cake liners, my Norvina palette, and 2 brushes, and I only have 1 brush and 1 palette. All right, well, I'll have to email them. So, but let's open up this one to see how this palette looks, because it looked, I've heard such good things. So people keep saying this is the best one that they have ever used, so the best Norvina palette. And I don't have any Norvina, well, minus the little one, remember, but I don't have a full-size one. So look how nice this is. OMG. Oops. So pretty. Look at that. Jeez. And this mirror is like, oh my gosh. Looks so pretty. Let's keep going. So this is my early birthday present. So you guys know I love running. It's a new exercise for me that I've been doing for at least a couple, well, almost a year, I think, or whatever. So I love Nike. Like, they just fit me really well. And so I have been eyeing these for quite some time. Yes. What are they called? Vapor Max. So I hurt myself and my ankle is still healing. So I'm hoping next week or in a few days I can go running again. And I'm excited to wear these. So yay, I got these on Finish Line because Nike.com was sold out. So that's what I got. Don't think I have anything else ordered. Everything else that I have ordered I think is here. So alrighty guys, well I hope you guys enjoyed. Sending everybody out there a big virtual hug. Please be safe. I will see you on the next one.